Today we are going to study Science and Technology Part 2. In this video we are studied about Chapter 4 Environmental Management. Important questions with answers. First question, fill in the blanks. Dash is the main man-made factor to create environmental problems. Environmental pollution is the main man-made factor to create environmental problems. Any person or factory is prohibited by this act from releasing the pollutants in the atmosphere beyond a dash. Any person or factory is prohibited by this act from releasing the pollutants in the atmosphere beyond a permissible limit. The jungle in Kokilamuk of Jorhat district of Assam is well known as dash. The jungle in Kokilamuk of Jorhat district of Assam is known as Molai jungle. Maintaining record of dash knowledge is very necessary. Maintaining record of traditional knowledge is very necessary. Dash is world's largest organization engaged in environmental activities. Greenpeace is the world's largest organization engaged in environmental activities. Dash sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. Sundarban sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. World Biodiversity Day is celebrated on dash every year. World Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 22nd May every year. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are dash. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. Giant squirrel is an dash species. Giant squirrel is an indeterminate species. Environmental protection is dash. Environmental protection is value education. Question number 2. Write whether the following statements are true or false, giving suitable explanation for the same. या ठिकाणी दिलेली सेंटेन्स ट्रू आहेत की फॉल्स हे आपल्याला एक्सप्लेनेशनसह सांगायचं आहे. फर्स्ट, ओनली अबायोटिक फॅक्टर्स प्ले व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन द इकोसिस्टीम. फॉल्स, both abiotic and biotic factors play very important role in the ecosystem. Only abiotic factors will not decide the working of an ecosystem. म्हणजे फक्त अबायोटिक नाही तर अबायोटिक अँड बायोटिक फॅक्टर्स प्ले व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल. सेकंड, पॅडी फील्ड्स आर फ्रिक्वेंटली अटॅक्ड बाय फ्रॉग्स. फॉल्स, पॅडी फील्ड्स आर फ्रिक्वेंटली अटॅक्ड बाय grasshoppers. Frogs feed on grasshoppers and control the population of these insects that cause destruction of the crops. 3. Environmental pollution is necessary and acceptable change in the surrounding environment. False. Environmental pollution is never acceptable. It is always harmful to the entire ecosystem and thus never necessary. 4. X-rays and radiations from atomic energy plants are natural radiations. False. X-rays are not present in natural radiations. Infrared and ultraviolet rays are present in natural radiations. 5th, the person breaching the Environmental Conservation Act is entitled for either 1 year imprisonment or fine of 2 rupees 5 lakh. Sentence is false. The person breaching the Environmental Conservation Act is fined up to 1 lakh. He is also entitled to imprisonment for 5 years. 6th, many people come together to establish a new forest, but a single person is determined can destroy the entire forest. Sentence is false. When anything constructive has to be done, Even a single man can start such action. In case of Molai jungle, this statement holds true. But when destructive actions are done, many people come together and cause damage. म्हणजेच एका व्यक्तीने मनात घेतलं तर मोलाई जंगलसारखं जंगल उभं राहू शकतं. 7th, there are clusters of thick forest only in western Ghats of India. False. Entire India is rich in biodiversity. Just not in western Ghats, but in entire India, one can observe the clusters of thick forest, and this is mainly due to suitable tropical climate. 8. 86 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. False. As per the latest information and available data, there are 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots. Question number 3. Find the odd one out. Ash, carbon dioxide, lead, asbestos. Odd is carbon dioxide. All others are solid particulate pollutants. Second, Manas Sanctuary, Sundarban Sanctuary, Western Ghats, Tadoba National Park. Odd is Tadoba National Park. All others are endangered heritage places of India. Third, lion-tailed monkey, white rats, musk deer, tiger. Odd is white rats. All others are species that are threatened. Means lion-tailed monkeys, musk deer, tigers are species that are threatened. Fourth, conservation, regulation, prohibition, pollution. Odd is pollution. All others are ways of environmental protection. Fifth, IPCC, UNEP, IUCN, BNHS. Odd is BNHS. All others are international organization. BNHS is Bombay Natural History Society. Do like and share this video. Thank you.